Stop chasing. You're not a human chasing, you're a human being. When you chase after something, it's because you're trying to fill a hole that you feel inside. And when you finally reach that, whatever it is that you're chasing after, it makes you feel like you filled that hole, but it only lasts for a little while. You're going to find yourself chasing after something else and chasing after something else. And what you're doing is that you're moving further and further away from yourself. When you focus on being is about holding the vision, whatever it is that you want in life, but being present to what is here and right now. Being engaged with your environment, being engaged with your family, being engaged with your relationships, and being engaged with yourself, which is the most important relationship you have. And that leads to self-awareness. And that self-awareness leads to a sense of trust and confidence in yourself, that there's no need to chase after anything anymore. You're whole and complete within yourself. Life in motion. See ya.